Let's see what these cows think of a remote control car. They're very curious about it, aren't they? Well, let's see what they do when the thing actually moves. But they don't like that one bit, do they? Let them all take a turn. That one does not want to look at it. Oh, she doesn't like it one bit. Look at the ducks and the chickens. Uh-oh, they might not like that. Oh, look at that. That herds them in. They all went inside the coop.